to make my chimichurri sauce. Argentinian sauce. It can go on roasted vegetables, over salads, over fish, but it is beautiful over a steak. So, let's get making a chimichurri. So some people like to do this in a blender, but I like to get the oils out of the oregano and the chili by crushing them up. It's going to make a big difference to the flavour. Oh, it smells incredible right now. And now when I put the parsley in, it's going to get very full because I've got a small mortar and pestle. And I'm going to crush these up. Getting the oils out of the parsley, the coriander. This is way nicer in my opinion than doing it in a blender. And you could just throw them all into a bowl, but you're going to get a better result by doing this. And it takes a minute, and if you've got a small one like mine, you're going to spill it everywhere. There we go, let's just rescue these guys. Smells incredible. Now into a bowl. Now we need to get in vinegar. Now you could use apple cider vinegar or red wine vinegar. I'm using a white wine liqueur vinegar. And you can see it's clear. You can get this anywhere around the world if you go searching for it. I'll put it in the comments below. It is absolutely fantastic. It's also genius over yogurt and granola. It just is a changing thing, I tell you. It's absolutely fantastic. Now, a quarter of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Use a good one. Going to make a difference. Extra virgin oil. Now, a good pinch of salt. Now, you should be a salt snob. Use a salt you like. I'm using a flake salt that crushes up. It's lovely and soft. I'll put comments below about which one it is. Look at that. Now, this is just going to get better and better as it sits. So tomorrow it will taste wonderful. Right now it'll be very one-dimensional, but tomorrow, let me tell you, it will be absolutely delicious. But I'm going to eat my steak in about 3 hours. So all the flavors will come together. At the moment, if you taste that, you know, you'll pick up the parsley and the coriander, but let me tell you, it just gets better as it gets older. It can last in the fridge for up to a week. We'll have a little taste to see that we've got the salt component right. Chimichurri across the top. Just like that. There we go.